Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to the final day, 30th day of 30 Days Lost in Space, the kit from Crafting Table that's led us through all of these adventures of Arduino programming, wiring. We've got LEDs and things that we used in the past, but not today. So let's go across to Alex in the video and we'll see. I don't know that there's anything actually to do today, but we'll certainly wrap things up nicely and see how things are. So I shall see you in just a sec.
Job well done, Explorer. I never doubted you for a moment.
Hey everybody, my name's Alex. You might know me from the code explanations throughout the course. I want to congratulate you on making it through the 30-day Lost in Space challenge. But your journey does not end here. Luckily, there's still more for you to do if you so want to. I would say, if anything, your journey has just begun. So, to give you a quick history on the 30 Days Lost in Space challenge, this originally was a project that started back in 2020 with just me, and I had a little astronaut suit in a green screen in Austin's apartment back when we were very first young starting this inventor company. All right, so welcome back. Again, this is day 25. And like every fifth day of the 30-day challenge, we're gonna give you guys that creative outlet once again. And we got a lot of feedback from you guys, both critical and good. And we took that feedback and then came up with a revision back in 2021. And we had our wonderful man, Greg, who you might recognize, was the person in this version of the videos who did all the wiring. But in the previous version, he was kind of the Astrid, the entire character cast for the entire thing back in 2021. And he is a man, the myth, the legend, and I love him to death. And thank you so much, Greg. I appreciate you.
I am a pre-recorded AI who will attempt to give you all the information necessary for your success.
This version, we had obviously the code improvements and the wiring obviously was Greg's focus, but then we also got a little bit more energy with Astrid. So I want to give credit to the actor for that because she did a wonderful job playing in the 30 Days Lost in Space. So after about 3 years of a total amount of feedback we were able to get, and over 100,000 members in our Facebook community now that we've grown, we have grown to an insane number, and it's wonderful. We finally came up with the revision that you guys have just completed now. So we hope you've enjoyed, and obviously we look forward to seeing you guys hopefully joining us for what's next.
So yes, that is it, the end of the 30 days. Things have changed a little bit, even in the short time since Alex recorded that. It's no longer inventor.io, it is Crafting Table. So join them. They're still selling all the kits and everything else. So come along, buy your own. The components on their own are great anyway, but the course is amazing. They are still updating and changing things around again. So it might be slightly different if you want to do your own version of it, but any version. I did the original one back in 2020 and loved it. And this is worth revisiting because it is different. The first couple of days are the same, but everything else has changed dramatically. Bitmaps and things weren't a thing in the other one. And I've learned more from doing it this time round than I did the first time round. But yeah, have a look at craftingtable.com. Use my codes and affiliate links and things if you want to get a little bit of discount and a little bit of kickback to me as well, which is always appreciated. But I hope you've enjoyed it. Join me very soon. I shall be doing another one of their kits, the Nebula Raiders kit, which is not Arduino. It's drifting onto the I can't remember now. A different thing, not Raspberry Pi, but something a bit different. It might be a version of Raspberry Pi. But join me for that very soon. I shall put all this back in the box and delve back into it another time at some point. But thank you very much for joining me. I hope you've enjoyed it. Do leave a comment. Let me know what you think. And I'll see you for more very, very soon. Bye-bye for now.